Hello guys, my name is Lav and now you can see my new friend. His name is
Bola.
and today he is going me to help keep on repairing that our big project with the Ford Capri. As you know, in the previous video you may look at the hint, and now our engine is starting. It's in nice condition and actually I love it very much because it's a V6 super powerful engine. Have you seen that before, Bola?
No, I mean, this is my first time. And tell me, what exactly do you want to do about this car today?
Today, our very important mission is to make it run and drive. So the engine is starting, but it cannot go because it doesn't have a cardan shaft. And we have to...
Where do you get that from?
That's the most interesting part.
Oh my God.
As you know, I have a lot of cars, and most of them, of course, they are Russian cars, like Russian Lada.
Wow.
But this car has the same principle as that car. So the engine is here, and wheels who are driven by the engine are on the back, the same as Ford Capri has.
Wow.
So I hope today we're gonna try to.
I mean, this is going to be very crazy. Like, I don't know how you're going to go about this. You want to bring this engine to this place?
Not engine, only cardan shaft. Because
the shaft?
This car has V6, super powerful engine. This is so we want to have super powerful cars run and drive.
Wow.
But how we going?
How do you do it?
I don't know.
Tell me, please.
At this moment, I have no idea. Of course, this car is Russian. This car is made by Ford, European car, and of course, spare parts.
I mean, let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's just try. I told you before that we are installing that big thing in our garage, and now all the repairings, all the restoration process is gonna be more professional. So, is it okay? Nice. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
So, let's go up.
Okay.
So, how do you feel? I
mean, like, I like the fact that this place is, I mean, this is a very new place and it has really changed, you see? And I'm so happy because, wow, you guys are doing well.
Yeah, we are trying to be the more crazy as possible. And you know, I've selected this car lifter, this car lift, because the maximum height or how it can lift is 180 meters.
180 meters?
Is the maximum. There are versions who can lift cars 2 meters or maybe 210 meters, 210 centimeters, but my tool is 175, so I am okay.
Your height is
Yeah,
you're okay, but me, I can't try this at all because
so
I'm 193.
193.
Yeah.
So come here. I will show you what we need.
All
so
right.
this is the spare part we need. Look, the wheels are driven by this cardan shaft, and we have to eject that thing and install it into that car.
Okay.
Sounds easy, but the process is going to be tough, I think.
We can do it. I'm here to help you. Let's try it. Yeah.
Let's try. We have to remove the exhaust system first.
Okay.
Okay. So
No.
now we can
try to remove it like this.
somehow.
Okay.
It's stuck.
Yeah, I think we need to
Unscrew
this part.
Yeah. You know, all this stuff is so rusty, so it's kind of difficult to unscrew.
I see. Do you need some help?
At this moment, just keep on holding, and this is enough.
All right.
I need goggles. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're almost done.
Ooh. Oh, see my clouds.
Oh, what is that?
Oh.
Hopefully you've changed your clothes.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem.
goggles.
Yeah, thank you.
This tool always helps when you work with Russian cars.
Every car. Every situation. Okay.
It's so long.
I tell you.
Ah, nice. Okay.
Oh, come on. Yeah, man. Good job. I see.
Now let's put it on a screw like this.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. Now we are removing the cardan shaft. This is the part we really need.
Okay.
But also I think we need that part. Nice! Now we got all the parts we need. But of course it's not possible to fit it right like this because it's too long and these parts are not fitted together. So we need to cut that part out. Then
So you mean you are going to cut these parts?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's mark it.
Yeah, like this. We're gonna cut it out completely because we don't need it. We need
All
only
right.
these things to put them here.
To fix it here.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We're using that screws, long screws.
All right.
And then we're gonna cut out that part. We're going to cut out that part.
Let's mark it.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna weld this thing instead of that thing.
Okay, so you're going to weld this with this, right? Oh,
After cutting
fantastic, fantastic.
You think it's a good idea?
It's crazy, but I don't know. Let's see.
So now we have to change that sound.
Okay,
Okay, stop.
that's okay.
Like this. Ouch.
Be careful. Do we still need to push more?
Yes.
All right.
Stop. Okay, now we have to change them. A little bit help.
Okay.
Nice.
You want to shoot me?
Are you afraid of a drill?
Yes, I don't know. Maybe this can just peel up and hit me. It would be crazy.
Yeah, some tools can speed up. They are dangerous. That's why we are using that stuff for
I see.
protection. Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna to drill that stuff
Okay.
to let that thing fit right in.
All right.
I hope so. I can do that.
So you're gonna drill this tree?
Yeah, I'm gonna drill this a little bit with that tool.
Okay.
Okay, let's try.
I think you need to hold.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a lot of difficulties during our work, and I have to buy a new tool. Not a tool, just this thing. It's very expensive. It's about $50 just for one thing, and around $50. So you don't think it's expensive?
No, it's not expensive.
$50 for that thing?
Depends on what you want to use it for. It's not expensive, in my opinion. Is it expensive?
I think so. It's expensive. I using this thing to drill. Wow!
Oh, come on.
Look, it's a very effective stuff. I'm gonna drill that thing Or maybe another. I'm not a professional with that thing. I hope I'm not gonna break it.
You bought it today, right?
Yes.
Today?
Yeah, just now. But look, this thing is really effective. Nice. We spent the whole day installing and repairing all that stuff. Look, there is a night outside, so it was really hot the whole day. And we had a lot of problems with our bridge. I don't know how does it called. This thing was a lot of problems with the reductor, with so on, and we have to put it out, repair it, and put it back. So we did our best, and now, only now, we are ready to install the cardan shaft. The thing we've been doing all that day. This thing goes right here, like this. So, and here goes the cardan shaft.
This is little.
This is Rubin, and this is a lubricant for the gears and so on. And now we have to inject the cardan right there. Here we go. And what do we have here? Of course.
У нас крепления совпали.
Wow. Of course, the length of cardan shaft is bigger than we need because the car has different wheelbase, but we're gonna cut it. So now we have one of the most important parts is exactly building the cardan shaft, rebuilding, changing its size and welding. I was welding and my welder has broken because of the, oh my gosh, it just happened accidentally, and to keep working and to finally leave home, we have to repair that stuff and keep on welding. We are not going home today till this car will go right. I'm sorry, I'm so sleepy. We won't go home until this car run and drive. That's it. So, I'm really excited about that thing. I really want to know if we done everything right or not. So, I need a steering wheel. When I can get one. Nice one. Okay, here we go. It's time to check everything. It needs some time to start. Sometimes we need more gas. It's working! Not really. We need to set up the carburetor, but technical difficulties, but it's working. So how can we go forward? I have no idea how this gearbox is working. So this is reverse, and so this got to be the first gear. How can I get to the first gear? Like this or like that? I don't know. It's reverse. So maybe this is the first gear. So everything is working fine. And we did it! Now our car can run and drive! To be honest with you, that was really difficult. To build the cardan shaft and to get all necessary details, it took me about a month or maybe more, I don't know. So, and we spent the whole day just to building all the stuffs together. I have to admit that we used a lot of spare parts from Russian cars. So the only original thing is here is an engine and a carburetor. All other stuff, like a generator, like a radiator, like a fan, they all used from the Russian cars mostly. But anyway, this car is pretty old and it takes a lot of money and a lot of time to restore it, but we're gonna do our best, I promise you. And if you like our restorations funny videos, subscribe to my channel, leave your like right now, and I will really appreciate your help. Thanks for watching, my name is Slav, bye bye.